my baby, yeah.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. I'm gonna be spilling all the tea and answering all you guys' juicy questions. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys like before we even get into the video, because you already know you're gonna like the video. Make sure you guys follow all my socials down below, and yeah, let's just get into the video. This video is sponsored by Amella hair. So basically, when you get your hair, it's gonna come in this super cute little packaging that says love your hair, share your beauty. They sent me 3 bundles in a closure, so 24, 22, 20 inches with the 18-inch closer, and also comes with these cute little clips and combs in it. As you can see, the hair is super soft, super silky, and it was that way even after I washed it. The only complaint is that, as I don't know if you can see, but the hair on the closure is a slightly lighter brown shade than the bundles, but other than that, that's my only complaint. So I actually had a sew-in, and I got my hair done by Draca B. Her website is Lace by Draca B, and I'm just gonna put all her links in the description box below. One more thing, the lace was just a little bit too dark for my skin, and my stylist did bleach the knots, but I don't know if they sent me a dark colored lace because, you know, they see my videos, but I really do prefer like a HD lace or a transparent lace. Other than that, I think my hair looks bomb. I'm in love with it, and thank you to Amella Hair for sponsoring this video.